Hey guys, this is May-Trickz and I'm back with a new video. This is another unboxing. I know the last time I did an unboxing is those Bluetooth headphones. I gave them away. Now I got me some better headphones this time, the JBLs, the E65 BTNC. Of course, they're Bluetooth, as you see on the left bottom corner. There's Bluetooth. Like 15 hours of battery life. That's what it says on the box. So I had to pick these up, and these was on sale too for $100. So I had to pick these bad boys up. So your boy JMT, I use some JBL headphones, So let's start with the shenanigans. Let's get on with this. Don't forget, guys, to like, comment, and subscribe to JMT, of course. If y'all want to follow me on social media, the links will be at the bottom of the description of this video. Like always, I've had my videos. As you see, guys, like I said, I'm bringing the unboxing of the JBL E65 BTNC wireless over-ear headphones. So let's get on with the unboxing. So let me get my key. I'll be right back. As you see, guys, I got my scissors like last time. Cut through this tape. Remember some good old JBL headphones. As you see, it's like you gotta slide the box. I had to pull the box up, as you see. Boom. And look how the box look. Look how the box look, man. I like how the box just slides up. And look at this, man. Look at this. Let me get the focus in. There we go. Look at these bad boys. Wait a second. Looks like it's time to use the scissors all over again. Make sure to be careful. I ain't trying to mess these shits up. So, I ain't trying to wreck these things, man. Let me just try to... Hold on. Alright. Got that out the way. Now we get this other part up. Damn. Right, we gonna get this right. We gonna get it right. Just want to... Okay. We got it now. All right. Anyway, it's good. Hey guys, I'm back. I had to take the headphones out. These are the headphones here. Look how nice these bad boys look, man. And it comes with a pouch. It comes with a pouch, as you see. It doesn't come with... Wait a minute. Wait a second. I was just about to say it doesn't come with nothing else. So put the box down there. Yeah, your typical... You already know the vibes. You got your typical... It comes with a wire just in case if your things are dead, you can just use this as a backup to play music. Put that to the side. As you see, of course, it comes with your typical orange JBL USB. You see there in the box. And, of course, your instruction manual. Now it's just the pouch that dropped. Pick this up. Yeah, guys, so that's the video. That was the unboxing of the JBL E65 headphones. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your boy JMT. I'll get you out with more videos soon. I'll get you out with another unboxing of the iPhone XR, so stay tuned for that. And I'll catch you out with more videos, so stay tuned. Much love, peace, respect, peace.